In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add video to Klaviyo email. To get started, you will want to be inside Klaviyo and working on the email you plan to send. The video option is available within Klaviyo's drag and drop editor, so the first thing you need to do is open your email template there. Find the template you want to edit, open it, and make sure you are viewing the design canvas where you can add and arrange content blocks. This is the same area where you would normally add things like text, images, or buttons. So if you have used the editor before, this will feel familiar. Once your email template is open in the drag and drop editor, move over to the sidebar where Klaviyo keeps all of the available content blocks. From that sidebar, drag a video block directly into your email layout. As you drag it, you will see placement indicators that show where the block will land. Drop it in the exact section of the email where you want the video preview to appear. A helpful tip is to place it near the part of your message that introduces or explains the video so the reader understands why it is there. After the video block is in your email, click into that block to open its settings. Now you will paste your video link into the video URL field. Klaviyo supports common video hosting platforms including YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia, so copy the full URL from the platform where your video is hosted and paste it directly into that video URL area. Make sure the link is complete and accurate, because the video preview in the email is generated based on that URL. When the URL is in place, the block will display a video-style preview that recipients can click to watch. This is a reliable way to share video content in email while keeping the message clean and easy to load. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.